Hey interweb, my name is Joseph. I'm a part of the sales team here at AutoDrill, and today I'm planning on showing you guys how to attach a multiple spindle head to one of our in-stock drill presses, so follow me. These are all the tools you'll need to attach a multiple spindle head to the drill press. A hammer, a 13mm open-end wrench, an 8mm Allen wrench, the multiple spindle head's driver, the multiple spindle head, obviously, something to protect the spindles on your unit during attachment. Make sure your drill press is unplugged before starting this process. First, lock the driver into the drill press with the hammer. Now, match the output driver with the input driver on your multiple spindle head, as close as you can anyway. Then slowly raise the table. You may need a second person to turn the belt until the unit clicks in. You can use both the quill or table to press the head on straight, making the drill press do most of the work. Using the 13mm wrench, tighten the bolt on the adapter clamp very tight. Once tight, slowly lower the table and make sure the head doesn't slide or anything like that. Rotate the belt and pulleys above and see if the spindles rotate at all. Once attached, you are all set to drill with your unit.